Pooja belongs to one of those rural areas of India where availing banking services is not easy and has to make the painful long-distance journey to the banks in the nearby village to make even a small transaction like checking her balance. We understand the problems that people like Pooja are facing currently, especially in the rural areas. And that's why NPCI, the umbrella organization for all the retail payment systems in the country, is introducing the Aadhaar-enabled payment system. AEPS is a bank-led model which allows online interoperable financial inclusion transactions at micro-ATMs through the business correspondent of any bank using the Aadhaar authentication. Include financial transactions, eKYC, demographic authentication, use of biometric information in the UIDAI database for customer authentication, ease of making banking transaction in the remotest area of India without any hassle. All Pooja has to do is go to a business correspondent for making a transaction. She enters her Aadhaar number, informs the transaction type, bank name, amount to the business correspondent and gives her biometric, fingerprint or iris in the micro ATM. Once the transaction is done, the business correspondent gives Pooja a receipt of the transaction which can be used for future inquiry. Now Pooja could do basic banking transactions like balance inquiry, cash withdrawal, cash deposit, mobile update in UIDAI database, mini statement, Aadhaar to Aadhaar fund transfer in minutes. Pooja can even make a fund transfer by just entering beneficiary Aadhaar number as well as her Aadhaar number. The customers can also open new bank accounts in the quick time through eKYC or electronic KYC, which is beneficial both for the banks and the customers. Ask your bank for eKYC to open your bank account with ease. AEPS transactions are 100% secure and easy. Use the best finger detection technology. AEPS transactions are always seamless. AEPS is the new age banking service which enables banks to route the Aadhaar-initiated interbank transactions through a central switching and clearing agency. And NPCI, along with Partner Bank, is dedicated to making AEPS systems available in even the remote parts of the country to make sure that the underbanked society can be included in mainstream banking. Use AEPS system to make secure and faster transactions. Reach your nearest business correspondent and start making AEPS transactions now. Aadhaar-enabled payment system, powered by NPCI and other member banks.